So my brother and I, we had booked this charter to Everglades City with Capt and Bobby of Waterboy Charters a couple months ago, before Hurricane Ian actually hit. We wanted to fish in new waters with them, with an experienced captain, because you always want to put safety first. You don't know the waters. It's a good idea to go out with somebody that just knows the land, that actually knows the waterways. In that case, when Ian struck, it was only a few weeks before our trip. And we were in contact with our captain, and to determine whether, first and foremost, that he and his family were safe, but also determine whether it was able to come down and go fishing. And was it still possible? How was the area? We knew that everything was devastated. Our captain said, "Yeah, come on down." He fared out okay, and he's willing to take us out fishing. So, things you need to know right now about Everglades City: that it is fishable. I know there's only a few hotels open. I know the town's trying to get everything up and running as soon as they can, because this is their business. This is how they survive. Don't give me that crap that you caught a tarpon on your fucking artificial.
No, I don't think so. He's been jumping right now. I think it's good. He's not fighting like a suck.
No?
He's got a head shape.
Maybe it could be another trout. Oh no.
No, it's a jack.
It's a jack.
It's a jack. I was gonna say, I felt like a jack. That's alright. I love jacks. They're such an underrated fish.
They are.
Such an underrated fish.
Same thing with the barracuda. We love cats because they're so acrobatic.
Yeah.
That's not a bad one. That's like a 3-5 pounder. There you go. Yeah, that's not bad. Take that.
Black dots and he quits moving.
How deep is it? I'm going to say this to everybody that's watching this video. Please support these captains. Go down there. Support the business, the local businesses, hotels, restaurants, everything like that. They're going to need all our help. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope everything works out for everybody that goes down there. Actually, let me go to the back here.
I got rods above your head. I should get them out of your
That's
way.
okay. I can work around that. Oh. Yeah, something. He's small, but it's a fish. Take a picture of that. There you go. Cool. Hey, this lure works. It's worth the $10. So this is a lodge too?
This is Outward Bound.
A what?
It's Outward Bound School. You ever heard of them?
No.
So this is what we were talking about. This is Outward Bound School. They work with wayward kids. There's no rods up here. You're clear. They work with wayward kids. Get them back on the right track. Kids that's kind of gotten on the wrong track.
Okay.
Going down the wrong road. And I'm just gonna turn the motor off, guys, and let us drift back. So they'll bring them in here. They're based out of the Carolinas. So they have little lodges all over the place that they work. You can see all the canoes and stuff back there.
Okay.
They have zip lines, and they'll take them out camping on the islands and so on. Just to kind of get them back, back in the right. The right.
It was a mullet.
That took a lot of damage. You see the big dock over here all twisted. Ramp here. They're trying to work on it and get it back together. you got the little Ranger Banshee, I think they call
I got the Phantom.
it. The Phantom?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
I love that boat.
We looked around a lot.
Man. Yeah, we shot for a while.
We looked at the Pathfinders. We looked at the Mavericks.
I love
it. Very
For
old.
what I'm doing,
Yeah.
and I bought it more for family.
Yeah.
A buddy of mine had one, and we fished on his. I just love it.
Oh!
Oh, there you go, Rich. Go on. There you go.
Anchored up. Yeah.
I don't know. Little. He's playing with me though. That's a snook. Yeah.
I got a net, or you can slip it in.
Oh, there you go. You got him. Ah, sweet.
Hey.
Nice. Cool.
You got him?
Yep, we're good.
Buddy, you're lucky day today. You let him suck on your finger?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let go. All right, come on. Come on, before I start to get you. Yeah, get out of here. Come on.
Rolls, I guess.
Just,
huh?
yeah.
Like that, maybe.
Bass Pro.
Yeah.
It's pre-cut.
Oh shit, Toad! Get him! Get him! There he is!
Oh, he got off.
No!
That was a
That was a nice snook.
nice one.
Somebody put a set of rocks across that?
Yeah, no, it's a natural bar.
Uh-oh. Got him. Oh, it's a ladyfish.
Put him right in the boat if you can get him in there.
Oh, shit. Next time I'll...
We can edit that.
And,
Yeah, weak mouth.
They are.
Yeah.
And when you want one, you'll never get one in the dang boat. When you don't want one, you'll have every day one of them in the boat,
Right.
and then they poop all over you.
Exactly.
Those guys will,
Yeah.
they'll squirt it.
Yeah.
There's days here. Normally, you come out, and kind of what we've done today
Yeah.
so far, but normally it's a couple more. Normally it's not just one. You might have 5 or 6.
Yeah.
John, go straight out the back of the
Then it kinda
boat.
dies off.
Straight out the back of the boat. I just threw it straight. Oh, yeah. 2 hits.
Come on back here, man. Make it count.
Oh.
Ladyfish will. Oh yeah. There's a good little trout spot here too. So he's ducking again over to your right there, buddy.
Yeah.
He's teasing you.
Where they at? I didn't see any.
He was right out there where you were throwing.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Okay, you want to just grab them? I'll let you sling them in.
Go for it.
There we go. Now we got bait.
Now we got bait. I mean, I wouldn't worry if we didn't have it, but we got some nice shrimp.
So I said I felt so many hits as I was like, you better just come back here. A bunch of fish.
I had a couple hits there.
A bunch of little guys. Oh, there he goes. Oh. What do they call these? A poor man's tarpon?
Poor man's tarpon, exactly.
Oh. Yeah, he ain't probably getting away. Trouble hook. Oh.
He's bait.
Yeah, he's bait.
Yeah.
Have fun with the ladyfish.
No.
We got 2 in there.
Okay, we're good. We don't need them.
We got 2 in there.
Oh, okay. Stuck?
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a better one. Yeah, he is. Nice and bright. Look at that. Nice. Easy. Nice. Cool. Awesome.
There we go. That redeems me.
Yeah, I know.
Missing that last one.
I know you got a mouthful of trouble hooks there,
Wait,
buddy.
wait. Measure him.
Yeah, you got one.
Yeah. He might be son. I think he is.
He looks pretty damn close.
Where's the?
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
Go ahead and grab him. You can lay right up on that seat. Or however you want to do it.
He ain't done yet.
Ooh. He's a little short.
Pinch his tail.
He is short. He's
Oh.
short by about a half an inch.
Lure's clear. I'm gonna lay it in the seat. Since we didn't get a lot of pictures today. So if you look on the chart for future references, that's Indian Key right there.
Okay.
So if you follow the main channel out of Everglades City, you'll come to, right here.
Right there.
Stop Keys is those two islands up there in front of you.
Okay.
Not this one, but the ones up, the farther one right there.
With the sand on it.
So if you look on the chart, good trout flat on the other side. I don't know how it is going to be, with the tide we're on right now, but it is a good trout flat, pompano. So for references for you guys, you don't want to come back
Right.
or whatever. Stop Keys, Indian Keys, that big island right
Yeah,
there.
I'm probably going to end up coming back probably early spring.
Okay.
It's probably
And
time.
Jack is where we're headed. We're gonna work down that way through there. Jack Daniels. So if you see it on the chart, it's right here behind us. Trout, occasional redfish.
Oh, there you go. Damn it, time to get him. What you get?
Go ahead, anchor. Ain't coming up.
Hey, ain't giving up. How's the ladyfish? Yeah.
Oh, that ladyfish.
Is it a little stuff?
Yeah, that's a ladyfish.
Foul, it looks like a foul hook ladyfish. I'm wondering, it ain't coming up.
Yeah, that was a little on the weird side there.
I don't even bug unless you want it.
Yeah, I get them. You don't want them, right?
No, we still got them.
Oh, probably ladyfish bite.
I want a couple more snakes. I'd rather have a couple redfish.
Me too. Redfish would be great.
I love a redfish fight.
I only got the one last year up in St. Augustine. I got him on a terror eye.
Yeah. Where, trout will kind of give up on you. Snooks, once you kind of wear them down, they just kind of give up on you.
Yeah.
Redfish, that guy's going to fight you all the way to the boat.
Wow. Yeah.
And you'll feel the head shake, especially if it's a good, nice red. Don't give up on it.
Oh no.
I love a redfish.
Feels like a bigger ladyfish. Oh no, it's a small snook.
Well, you splash around, might be a trout or a little snook. And
Oh, trout.
you swallowed that one too, bro.
Yeah, he did. Damn sucker.
Yeah, that's a bunch of other ones.
That is a nice size. Is that even a keeper?
We can find out. He's gonna
He looks close. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Well, let's get the hook out.
They have the same damn teeth as a wiki too.
Yeah. They said only like their pectoral.
Don't swallow it more.
Thing is different.
Yeah, you hit it quietly too.
Really quiet. Nice trout. Hey, dude. He's got a mouthful of triple hooks.
That's a nice trout.
That's a nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Settle down. Settle down.
John broke the curve. Or created it.
Well, hang on.